Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss some of the important concepts of atomic structure. Right? First we have to understand what is atomic number, what is mass number. Atomic number and mass number. So what is atomic number generally? The number of protons. Number of protons in what? The given atom or ion. Number of protons. So first one what now here? Atomic number. Okay. So atomic number. Atomic number is given by what now? Z. So what is atomic number here? Number of protons. Number of protons in the nucleus. Number of protons in the nucleus of an atom or ion. Okay, number of protons in the nucleus of an atom or ion is called what now here? Atomic number. It is one definition of atomic number. So atomic number is given by Z, right? Now suppose you take sodium atom, sodium atom, and sodium ion, sodium ion. Now sodium atom Na0, neutral atom, and sodium ion Na plus 1, Na plus 1. Now for both, atomic number is what now? Atomic number is what? Atomic number is 11. So here for Na plus also atomic number what now? 11. So Z equals to 11 here. So here also Z equals to 11. That means what? Atomic number is nothing but the number of protons present in the nucleus of neutral atom or ion. Is that clear? So here how many protons now? 11 protons. 11 protons in the nucleus of sodium atom. Here also 11 protons. 11 protons in the nucleus of Na plus ion. That means in the conversion of Na atom into Na plus, in the conversion of Na plus into Na atom into Na plus, one electron is lost. So loss of electron only has taken place. Loss of electron only has taken place. No proton is lost here. Proton is not lost. Initially 11 protons there in the atom. In Na plus ion also 11 protons there. So the sodium atom has 11 protons, sodium ion has 11 protons. So atomic number of sodium atom is 11, sodium ion also 11. So number of protons in the nucleus of an atom or ion is called what? Atomic number. Is the concept clear? Take the screenshot of this one. Next. See, now another definition of atomic number. Atomic number given by which letter? Z. Is that so? Number of protons in the neutral atom, that's again only number of, okay, neutral atom you can see. So now next one, if you take now Cl atom, chlorine atom, chloride ion, chloride ion. Okay, now chlorine atom what now? Cl0, neutral atom, and chloride ion is what? Cl minus, not Cl plus. Chloride ion is what now here? Chloride ion. So chloride ion Cl minus, chlorine atom Cl0, right? Now here how many protons in this? 11 protons. Here also 11 protons. So sorry, 17. 17 protons, 17 protons, and here also 17 protons. Here how many electrons now? 17 electrons, 17 electrons, but here how many electrons in this? 18 electrons. Because one electron is gained in a Cl minus indicates what? One electron is gained by Cl atom. So here what is happening? Gain of electron is taking place here. By the gain of one electron, Cl atom has been converted into Cl minus ion. Now Cl minus ion has 17 protons, Cl atom also has 17 protons. So the number of protons in the atom, neutral atom, and the ion, anyone is called what? Atomic number. Therefore for Cl, atomic number Z equals to what now here? 17. For Cl minus also, atomic number Z equals to 17. Atomic number does not change. When atom converts into ion, atomic number remains same. Atomic number does not change. Is the concept clear now? So it's about what now here? Atomic number. The number of protons present in the nucleus of an atom or ion is called what? Atomic number. Okay. So next, take the screenshot of this. Okay. Next one is that mass number. What is that next one? Mass number. Mass number is represented by what? A. Mass number is represented by A. So mass number is equal to what? Number of protons plus number of neutrons. Number of, so here A equals to mass number. A is equal to what? Number of protons plus number of neutrons. Number of protons plus number of neutrons. So A equals to what? Now number of protons is what? Atomic number now. Number of protons is nothing but atomic number plus number of neutrons. I am taking n, suppose. Okay. So A is equal to atomic number plus neutrons number. Therefore, number of neutrons. Therefore, number of neutrons is equal to what now? Number of neutrons is equal to, means n is equal to A minus Z. Atomic number minus atomic mass number minus atomic number is equal to what? Number of neutrons. So number of neutrons equals to mass number minus atomic number. So mass number minus protons number. Mass number minus protons number. So what we take now? Number of neutrons equals to mass number minus atomic number. Mass number minus atomic number will give what more? Number of neutrons. So the sum of SUM, the sum of number of protons and neutrons in an atom is called what? Mass number. So what is the mass number here? The sum of number of protons and neutrons is equal to what? Mass number. So mass number is equal to what? Mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutrons. So sum of the number of protons and number of neutrons is equal to what now? Mass number. Is that clear now? Take the screenshot of this. Now we take the same sodium atom and sodium ion, suppose. Okay. Now generally cation will be larger in size or anion, neutral atom will be larger in size generally. So neutral atom larger sized, cation small sized. Neutral atom large sized than cation. Cation size will be always less than what? The size of the neutral atom. It is parent atom, it is cation. It is what now here? Parent atom, it is cation. Cation means what? Positive ion, right? Now what is atomic number here? Atomic number Z equals to 11. And mass number A equals to what? Mass number A is equal to 23 here. So sodium, what is the mass number? 23. And atomic number what? 11. Atomic number is equal to what? Protons number. And mass number is equal to what? Protons plus neutrons. 23 is nothing but protons number plus neutrons. Now what is the number of neutrons here? Number of neutrons, how many here? We take all A. So protons number, electrons number, neutrons in neutral atom and in cation. In neutral atom and cation. Now tell me in parent atom, what is the number of protons? What is the number of protons in parent atom? Tell me. Here 11, atomic number 11 indicates what? Protons number 11. And here also, cation also protons number will be 11. 11 protons only will be there. There is no change in number of protons. From atom to ion, number of protons always will remain what? Same. 11 protons in sodium atom, 11 protons in cation. And here how many electrons are there in sodium atom? In neutral atom, the number of electrons is called what? Atomic number again. So number of electrons, how many here? 11 electrons. But here 10 electrons only there. Why 10 electrons only there? One electron is lost here. One electron is lost. So loss of, what is taking place here? Loss of electron. The sodium atom has lost one electron and converted into what more? Sodium ion. So 11 electrons became what? 10 electrons only. Number of electrons will not be same. Number of electrons will not be same in neutral atom and cation. So it is what? Neutral parent atom. It is what? Cation, positive ion. Right? Now number of protons is same in neutral atom and cation, but number of electrons will be different. Next, how many neutrons here? Neutrons number formula what I told you? A minus Z. A minus Z. So A is what now here? 23 minus 11. 23 minus 11, how much more? 12. So 12 neutrons in atom. Here also what now? In the Na plus ion also 12 neutrons will be present. So number of neutrons also same now here. Number of neutrons is same. Number of protons is same. But what is changing? Only electrons number is changing. If you take neutral parent atom and its cation, what will be same? Number of protons will be same in the both species. Number of neutrons also will be same. Number of neutrons formula what? A minus Z. A is what? Mass number minus Z is what? Atomic number. So 23 minus 11 is equal to 12 neutrons in sodium atom. In sodium ion also 12 neutrons will be present. Only what is changing? Tell me here. What is changing? Here electrons number 11. Here electrons number 10. So this electrons number only is changing. Is that clear? So atomic number is what now? Number of protons in the atom. Otherwise, number of electrons in the neutral atom. Number of electrons in the neutral atom also is atomic number. Number of electrons present in the neutral atom. Otherwise, number of protons present in neutral atom. Otherwise, cation. Number of protons present in neutral atom and cation or any ion will be equal to atomic number. And number of electrons present in neutral atom is also called atomic number. See here, in neutral atom, parent atom, how many electrons? 11. So atomic number also 11. In Na plus cation, how many electrons are there? 10. But atomic number is not 10 here. Atomic number is 11 only. That is equal to 11 here. Mass number A also 23. So from neutral atom to its cation, if you observe, mass number remains same, atomic number also remains same. Why atomic number and mass number both remain same? Because number of protons and number of neutrons both same. Number of neutrons and number of protons will be same in cation and parent atom. Is the concept clear? Let's take the screenshot of this. Yeah. Now take the same chlorine atom and chloride ion. What is the size? What are the sizes here? The anion will be always larger size than neutral atom. Is what now? Neutral parent atom. Neutral parent atom. It is what now? Anion. What is anion? Anion is nothing but negative ion. Negatively charged ion is called. Negatively charged particle is called what? Anion. So anion size always will be larger than its parent atom. Is that clear, ma? Now again take number of protons, number of electrons, and number of neutrons. Now what is the charge of protons? Positive charge. What is the charge of electrons? Minus, negative. And charge of neutrons? 0. No charge on the neutrons, right? So it is about this. Next here, how to calculate the protons number? Here atomic number Z equals to what for this? For Cl neutral atom, Z equals to what? 17. Atomic number is 17. And mass number A is what now? Mass number is equal to 37 you take or 35 you take. 35 is what now here? Mass number. So A 35 will be there for some atoms. Some atoms will have A 37. Mass number will be 35 for some chlorine atoms. For some other chlorine atoms, A 37 also will be there. Here I am taking what now? 35. If you take 37 also, okay, no problem. I would say take 37 here. Now we have taken one atom, chlorine atom with atomic number 17, mass number 37. Next here also, now Cl minus, it is anion, though it is anion. Okay, here atomic number remains same, atomic number remains same, and mass number remains same. Mass number remains same. Here we have taken 37, right? Here also 37 will be there, mass number. But atomic number 17, atomic number 17. So atomic numbers always will be same for atoms and ions. Mass number also will remain same. Okay. And now here tell me, protons number is nothing but atomic number. Na? Atomic number is equal to proton number. So how many protons now? 17 protons. Here also, in this case also, 17 protons. So number of protons is same in parent atom and anion, both same. Next, electrons number, how to calculate? In neutral atom, protons number, electrons number will be same. That's why here protons number 17, here also electron also 17 in neutral atom. Why this atom is neutral? Why the atom is neutrally charged? Because the positively charged protons number is equal to negatively charged electrons number. The total positive charge of protons is equal to the total negative charge of electrons. Therefore, the parent atom is neutrally charged here, neutrally charged. No charge for the parent atom. Okay, now here atomic number Z17 indicates what? Protons number 17, electrons number 17 for parent atom, neutral atom. Next, how to calculate neutrons number here? Neutrons number A minus Z, na? Here 37, A minus Z is what? 17. So 37 minus 17, how much here? 20. So 20 neutrons present in parent atom. And here electrons 17 in neutral atom. Here one electron gained, right? Minus 1 indicates what? Gain of one electron. So one electron is gained here. So gain of electron. So gain of one electron has taken place here. Gain of one electron. That's why here what happened? 18 electrons will be present here. In Cl minus ion, in Cl minus chloride ion, how many electrons are there? 18 electrons present here. What is the name of this ion here? Chloride ion. Is that clear, man? So number of electrons not same. Number of electrons not same in parent atom and anion. Next, here number of neutrons, how much here also? Here also 37 minus 17 only. Mass number 37 and atomic number 17. So 37 minus 17 again 20 neutrons. Both cases number of neutrons same, number of protons same. Is the concept clear? No? Tell me here, what will be same here? Tell me. So number of protons same, number of neutrons also same. But what is changing? Number of electrons changing here. Electrons number is changing. Is the concept clear? So for atom and ion, always atomic numbers will be remaining same, mass numbers will be remaining same. Let's take the screenshot of this one. Okay, so like this we have understood what now atomic number and mass number. Okay, so it is a very important concept to understand, right? Next, important area is what now? Isotopes. Isotopes. So isotopes are what now here? The atoms of same element having same atomic number but different mass numbers. Okay, suppose you take now here isotopes of hydrogen. Isotopes of hydrogen. So what are the isotopes of hydrogen? Tell me. 1H1. 1H1. Here atomic number 1, mass number also 1. 1H2. 1H2. Atomic number 1. Atomic number 1. Mass number 2. And 1H3. 1H3. Atomic number 1. Mass number 3. Is that clear, ma? Now tell me here protons number, electrons number, neutrons number in 3 species. A number of electrons how many? Number of protons how many? First 1. Here also 1 proton. Here also 1 proton. All contain 1 proton each. Number of electrons how many in the neutral atom here? Here no charge anywhere, no charge is there. That's why it is neutral atom only. Neutral atom means what? Electrons number also will be equal to protons number. So one electron, one electron, one electron. In all the three species, number of electrons will be same. Next, number of neutrons, what tell me here? 1 minus 1, mass number minus. Here it is mass number, it is atomic number. So mass number minus atomic number what? 0 here. So no neutrons in this species. In 1H1, how to read this one? 1H1, 1H1. It is what now? Having no neutrons here. Mass number 1, atomic number 1. 1 minus 1, number of neutrons. So number of neutrons 0 here. Here in this case, number of neutrons how many? 2 minus 1. Here mass number 2, atomic number 1. That's why here 2 minus 1. It is what now? One species. 1H2 read. 1H2. Here 2 minus 1 what? 1 neutron. 1 neutron. In this case, tell me now. In this case, 3 minus 1. Mass number 3 and atomic number 1. So mass number 3, atomic number 1. 3 minus 1 what? 2. 2 neutrons. How many neutrons here? 2 neutrons. So 2 neutrons, 1 neutron, 0 neutrons. Okay, here is 1 neutron. Here, 0 neutrons. 0 neutrons. So no neutrons in which species? 1H1. 1H2 has 1 neutron. 1H3 has 2 neutrons. Now what is same here? Now tell me, electrons number and protons number. Electrons number and protons number same here. 1 proton, 1 electron in all the three species. But what is changing? Here 0 neutrons, 0 neutrons, 0 neutrons here. Okay. 0 in this case. Here 1 neutron is there. Here 2 neutrons there. Number of neutrons different here. Number of neutrons were different. And what are different? Mass numbers different here. So mass number 1, mass number 2, mass number 3. So what is same for these? Atomic number is same. Atomic number is same. But mass number is different. And neutrons number also different. It is what now here? The concept of isotopes. Now it is atom of hydrogen. This one, atom of again hydrogen, atom of hydrogen. Now these three atoms belong to what? Same element. Hydrogen element, hydrogen element, hydrogen element. But different atoms. Atoms of same element, different atoms of same hydrogen element, having same atomic numbers but different mass numbers are called what? Isotopes. So isotopes always contain what? Same atomic number but different mass numbers. Let's take the screenshot of this one. Now, tell me isotope definition. Isotopes are the atoms of same element, having what? Same, having same atomic number, atomic number is represented by Z, na? Same atomic number but different mass numbers. Mass number what? A. Mass number A will be different, but atomic number Z will be same. Now one more example, what we can take? One more example, Cl 1735. One more, Cl 1737 are what? Isotopes. What are these here? Isotopes. So what are the isotopes here? Isotopes are what now? Atoms of same element having same atomic number but different mass numbers are called what now? Isotopes. So isotopes of what? Isotopes of chlorine. Isotopes of chlorine, how many there? 2 there. Cl 1735, Cl 1737. Here how many neutrons? Tell me. 35 minus 17. Here 37 minus 17. Here 20 there, but here 18 there. 18 neutrons. Here 20 neutrons. Tell me here. In this case, How many neutrons here? 20 or 18? 18. So 18 neutrons. Here in this case, 20 neutrons. So neutrons number different. Neutrons number is different, but atomic number 17 indicates what in the atoms? Protons number 17 in both cases, and electrons number also 17. But neutrons 18 here. Here 20 neutrons are there. So neutrons number is different for isotopes. Mass number also is different from each other. Mass number is different and neutrons number is different. Okay, and protons number will be same, electrons number will be same. As two species having different neutrons number, it will be having different mass numbers. Why different mass numbers in isotopes? Because of difference in neutrons number. As neutrons number is different, the mass number also is different. Take the screenshot. Yeah, now take the next one, isotopes of uranium. Isotopes of what? Uranium. So what are the isotopes here? Uranium U, na? So 92 to 34. And uranium 92 to 38. Is that clear, na? So 92 to 34 and 92 to 38. So atomic number is same, but mass numbers are different. When mass numbers are different, what happens? Different neutrons number will be there, na? Different neutrons number will be there. Is that clear, na? So this concept we have to understand. So it's about what now here? The what here? Concept of isotopes. Same atomic number but different mass numbers. So isotopes of uranium, remember. Is that clear, na? Take screenshot. Next concept is what now? Isobars. Isobars. So isobars are nothing but the atoms of different elements having same mass number but different atomic numbers. Different atomic numbers. Atomic numbers are different now, but mass numbers will be same. Example you take now here. First you take examples, then we'll take definition. So argon, potassium, calcium. Take this. Argon, potassium, calcium. Okay, what are the atomic numbers of these? Atomic numbers what? Atomic numbers 18, 19, 20. So 18 atomic number here, 19 atomic number here, 20 atomic number. So atomic numbers are different and mass numbers of these will be same. 40, again 40, here also 40. Okay, so atomic numbers are different but mass numbers are same for these. So 1, 2, so 3 atoms we have taken. Now atoms of different elements, na? This atom is of argon element. This atom is of potassium element. This atom is of calcium element. So 3 different atoms of different elements. Different atoms of different elements. Okay, different atoms of different elements having same mass number but different atomic numbers are called what? Isobars. Now tell me here protons number, electrons number, neutrons number. PEN, pen. Pen means what? Protons with positive charge, electrons with negative charge, neutrons with neutral charge. Pen, remember. So protons number how much here? 18. Atomic number 18, na? When atomic number is 18, protons number will be 18. Here also, here atomic number is equal protons number, 19 protons. Here 20 protons. So these are protons number. So protons numbers are same or different? Different protons numbers. So different protons number indicates what? Different atomic number. Because atomic number is nothing but protons number. Next, in any neutral atom, this is neutral atom, this one neutral atom, this one also neutral atom we have taken. Atom indicates what? Neutral. All these are atoms, neutrally charged. So in any neutral atom, protons number is equal to what? Electrons number. So 18 electrons, here 19 electrons, here 20 electrons. So electrons number also is different. Electrons number is also different in 3 species. Protons number also is different. Now here, neutrons number, take it here, mass number 40 minus atomic number 18. So how much it is? 22. 22 neutrons there here. How many? 22 neutrons there. In this case, what now? 40 minus 19. 40 minus 21 neutrons are here. 21 neutrons. So 21 neutrons. In this case now, neutrons number is equal 40 minus 20. Is equal to what now? 20 neutrons. So 20 neutrons. So how many neutrons in all these cases? Okay. So here 22, 21, 20. So here 40 minus 20, how much more? 20. Here 40 minus 19, how much? 21 neutrons. Here 40 minus 18, how much? 20 neutrons. So 22 neutrons here. 22 neutrons. Here also 21 neutrons. In this case, 20 neutrons. So atomic means the protons number is different in 3 species. Electrons number is different in 3 species. Neutrons number also is different. So in isobars, all protons number, electrons number, and neutrons number will be different in 3 species of isobars. But what will be same? Mass number is same. Mass number is same, but atomic numbers are different. Now, these 3 atoms of different elements here taken. These 3 atoms are of different elements. So atoms of different elements having same mass number but different atomic numbers are called isobars. Okay, take the screenshot of this. Tell me isobars. Isobars are the atoms of what? Different elements. Atoms of different elements means different atoms of different elements. Atoms of different elements having what? Having the same mass number. Same mass number. Same mass number. Mass number but different atomic numbers. Different atomic numbers. One more example what we can take. Suppose you take here sodium isotope and magnesium atom. Now here sodium 24, magnesium 24, mass number same. Here sodium atomic number 11, magnesium atomic number 12. So different atomic numbers but same mass numbers. When mass numbers are same and different atomic numbers are there, they will be having what now? Different. Means what here? They are called isobars. Isobars. Okay. Take the screenshot of this. Next one. Isotones. First example you check. Normal sodium atom is what? 1123. Normal sodium atom is what? 1123. 1124 means isotope of sodium. Sodium 24 is what? Isotope of what here? Tope of sodium. But here in this case what now here? In this case what now? That is isotope. But here 11 sodium 23 means what? Sodium atom normally has atomic number 11, mass number 23. And magnesium normally has what now? Atomic number 12, mass number 24. 12, 24. Here tell me protons number, electrons number, neutrons number in these 3. Now what is the sodium atom here? This one. It is magnesium atom. Okay. And now tell me what is the number of protons here? 11 protons. Here 11 protons. Sorry, 12 protons. 12 protons. Number of Protons is nothing but atomic number, na? Here atomic number 12 indicates what? 12 protons. The atomic number 11 indicates what? 11 protons. Here how many electrons in the neutral atom? It is neutral atom. It is also neutral atom. In the neutral atom, protons number is equal to electrons number. Here also, protons number is equal to electrons number. Right now? Next, neutrons number, how to calculate? Formula what? Mass number minus atomic number. Here mass number is 23 minus atomic number is 11. So how many? 23 minus 11, 12 neutrons. 12 neutrons there, right? Now tell me in this, here, what is the number of neutrons? Neutrons number is equal to what? 24 minus 12. Mass number minus atomic number. Mass number minus atomic number is equal to what again? 12 neutrons. Again, how many neutrons here?